Hello and welcome friends. I am Prakriti Gupta and in this video I will discuss the basics of HTML and CSS. So without wasting any time, let's begin. HTML first of all requires a text editor and the most popular text editor is Notepad. Therefore, I am gonna use Notepad for writing commands of HTML. So friends, open your Notepad and start typing whatever I am typing on the screen. So I hope that you are able to see my screen. So type whatever I am typing here. Just type doctype HTML within this greater than equal to symbol, and then type head, then slash head. Okay. So friends, these all whatever I am typing over here, these are called the tags. Basically HTML works on tags, and these are the tags. These are the very simple tags. Okay. Okay. So we have done with the head tag. This is called the head tag. You can see that this is the closing head tag, and this one is the opening head tag, and this one is the closing head tag. Okay, and this one is the opening title tag, and this one is the closing title tag. Okay, now let's come to body tag. So type here body. This is the opening body tag, and this one is the closing body tag. Okay, and then type here h1. This is the h1 body h1 tag. H1 is used for writing the heading of your website or whatever you want to write. This one denotes the heading. So here I am writing introduction, and then put a closing tag over here. Friends, ensure that whenever you are typing the opening tag, ensure don't forget to write the closing tag as well, because HTML is a very syntax specific language. Therefore, if you forget to write the opening closing tag, then HTML won't give you the correct information. It will show you error, or it may not show you anything. So in order to view this file, this is a very basic HTML commands, this whatever I have written on the screen. So in order to view this on your browser, you just have to save it. Okay, so go on file, click save as, and then save your file. Let's suppose I save it by the name of intro. Okay, so save it with .html extension. You can see that I have written .html after intro. So my file name is intro.html. Okay, then save as type all files. Okay, why is it so? Because it is an HTML file, so you have to save it using .html extension. So save. Okay, I have already made, so I replace it. Okay, now it is saved. Minimize it, go to your desktop, somewhere over here. Yeah, this is the file. So you can see that whatever information I had written in my HTML notepad file has appeared on the screen. You can see that the title of my web page is myself, and I had written introduction within the h1 tags, and that has also appeared on my screen. Okay, so let's carry on with more stuff. So this one is the HTML. This is the basic HTML. Now let's discuss what the CSS is all about. Okay, so for CSS you have to write the style tags. You can notice that I am writing the style tags above before body tag and after head tag. so you have to write in the same way. Okay, here you write the specifier. This one is the specifier. You need to specify which segment of your website you have to give styles to. So here you can put color, okay, color, then colon, and then let's say red, okay, then followed by a semicolon. Again, if you want to give background color to your text, then write background color, followed by a colon. This symbol is called colon. This symbol is called colon. Then followed by the color which you need to specify, then semicolon. Okay, and then you close the braces. This is the syntax. You have to follow the correct syntax for your CSS document as well, because CSS is also a syntax specific language. Okay, so I have written this stuff. I have written this stuff within the style tag. So you also have to write in a similar way. Okay, then Control S, control it, save it, minimize, and then open your browser and then refresh the, and voila, you can see the results. The introduction, the background color of this text has turned to yellow, while the text itself has turned to red. So this is how the CSS works. Okay, this is just a very basic commands of HTML and CSS. The approach is same, the syntax is same, but the way of making websites is somewhat very vast. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you.